Do you know that your phone is constantly tracking what you do on it and listening to all your conversations? It monitors which apps do you use, what you write, and what you want to find on the internet. These features are enabled by default on every Android phone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable 3 features on your phone because they quickly drain your battery, slow down your phone as they run in the background, and worst of all, they monitor you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and let's dive in. Head to main settings on your phone, then scroll down to Google and tap on that. After this, tap on all services, then scroll down to the privacy and security section. Here, tap on personalize using shared data. Tap on that. On my phone, there are no many apps on this list. You may have many more. This feature allows applications that are on this list to monitor everything you do on your phone. It also drains your battery faster and slows phone down, so I recommend disabling all applications on this list. Turn off, and turn off. And now let's move to the next feature. In the upper left-hand corner of the screen, tap back. Then in the privacy security section, tap on Usage Diagnostics. Tap on that. And here you can see feature Usage Diagnostics. This feature also collects information about how you use your phone, what applications you use, and send it to Google. And just like previous feature, it slows down your phone and drains its battery very fast, so I recommend turn it off. And the last setting on the phone that we will change in this video is here. Head to main settings, then scroll down again to Google, tap all services, and scroll down to privacy security section. And now tap on ads. This feature collects information about you, including what you write on your phone, what you search on the internet, and even listens to all your conversations using a microphone to show you personalized advertising. Have you ever noticed that after talking about something near your phone, an advertisement for it suddenly appears? This happens because this feature is enabled on your phone, and now we will change it. So, how to do it? First, scroll down a little bit and find Reset Advertising ID. Tap on Reset Advertising ID to delete the information that this feature has already collected about you. So tap on Reset Advertising ID. After this, here tap Confirm. Then press Delete Advertising ID so that this feature will not longer track you. Tap Delete Advertising ID. After this, Confirm. Delete Advertising ID. After this, you need to see Get New Advertising ID, as I do. After changing the settings, your phone will work faster, last longer on a single charge, and most importantly, it will no longer track you. If this video helpful, like this video, and thank you for watching.